Welcome back to another Armadillo Designs hardware installation tutorial. Today, we will be installing the rear exterior window Molle panel. Installation should take roughly 30 minutes and can be done solo. Ensure you have the following tools handy before proceeding onward. Okay, let's get to it. Begin by cleaning the exterior window to remove any contaminants and also remove the 6 M8 by 1.25 millimeter bolts from the rear hatch riv nuts. Then, place a rubber washer on the flange of each riv nut. Position the exterior rear window Molle panel onto the hatch, aligning the holes with the washers. Once aligned, apply a small dab of blue medium-strength Loctite to each of the 6 M8 by 50 millimeter bolts, then thread them into the corresponding holes to secure the Molle panel. Ensure the bolts pass through the rubber washers before threading into the riv nuts. Hand tighten to get them started before snugging down firmly. If using a drill, be careful not to over-tighten. We recommend using a T-handle to finish securing each bolt into place. And that's it. Your rear external window Molle panel is installed and you are ready to show it off. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.